Alrighty, guys, welcome back to the Fred Fincher Show. Today we got a good one. We are working on the F-150 today. We are going to be replacing the radiator in it, so I'm gonna let y'all enjoy. Alright. Now we're just gonna take everything apart. Or at least try to. Come on! Why? There she blows. See? Alright. Now that we got that hose disconnected, or the clamp disconnected, now I got that clamp disconnected. Then we gotta do is take the radiator shrimp out, and all that good stuff. Oh, she looks so lovely inside. So lovely. I don't know if y'all can see all those nice crusty flakes in there. Looks awesome. Oh, well, all right. I've gotten all these broke free here. As y'all can see, now we're just taking the fan off now. If I can get it to stay on. There we go. Gotta love ratchet wrenches. But I believe y'all get the concept of this. So I'll show y'all when I got it out. Alright. I got all the bolts out. Now I'm about to take the fan strut out. It'd be nice if I took it off and off. All right, now we're about to go ahead and just disassemble the radiator. What we got? 10 millimeter. Good deal. Good deal. You know, so you just gotta put your tools back. You don't put your tools back, you don't know where they go. That's one screw, or bolt, nut, whatever you want to call it. Too much done. You wanna see something? Look at the puppy dogs. They so freaking cute. Aw. Back to your regular commercial. Or back to your regular show. Stay there. All right. Radiator is out. All right. We got the radiator out. This was my main problem. It was cracked somewhere up here. It's just been oozing out slowly. I don't necessarily know where it's oozing out at. So much damn dirt built up. But there is the old radiator. Nice. She's out. She's out. As y'all can see, she's out. Radiator comes out. I cracked it a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see that crack, but yeah, there she is. So we're getting her going though. We're getting her. Now I just gotta get that off. I got a new clutch fan for it, so I gotta get that off. So yeah, stay tuned. Well, all right. I've just about gotten it off. She's been stubborn. Yeah, it's probably good for the water pump, for me beating on it like I am. It's probably fantastic for it. It's probably doing wonders. I'll tell you what, she's in there, fellas. In there. I'll tell you what. There she blows. She was definitely a little stuck, you can say. But hopefully the new fan will help out with that. Great. Nice. All right. I got the new clutch fan. The old one's right there. The old one is in pretty bad shape. I don't think that's supposed to do that. Yeah, I think it's supposed to spin freely, like this one. See, and it's not moving and all that. Yeah, so now I'm tightening all these up, and we got the new radiator right there in the box. Awesome. So yeah. Well, all right. I got it all back in. It's all mounted in now. So the only thing I'm doing now is hooking up the radiator hoses and putting everything back in. Wasn't too bad. Pretty quick. Well, all right. We are done. Everything is back installed the way it should be. Only thing I gotta do is add water, but I'm not gonna add water right now. What I'm going to do is weight. Yeah, tell me about it in the comments. Everything. How about that?